So here is the repair after being used on the Larapinta trail, which is like in the middle of Australia and lots of red dirt and dust, and you can see it. And you can see this is the corner that the horse ripped out, and you can see that it's held up very well. So there's Rudolph over there. There's the Bonnie Rudolph, my assistant, and the line lock is held up well. So that's pretty good. So it's had some good use, and it looks perfect. So Zpacks have done a very good job at repairing that, and it's stayed true. Look, there's another stitch there. It's got a bit of red dirt in it, but yeah, looks perfect. Looks very good job. So good as new. Many years of life left in it. So good on you, Zpacks. Thank you.